everyone, welcome back to Auto Nihon. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting rumors in the automotive world. A car that's been missing for decades, but is now making a triumphant return. The 2026 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. Yes, you heard me right. After nearly 30 years, this legendary nameplate could be coming back as both a sleek sedan and an upscale wagon. So buckle up, because today, we're breaking down everything we know about this potential game changer. For those who don't remember, the original Caprice was the king of full-size sedans in its heyday. It ruled American roads in the 60s, 70s, and even into the early 90s. Known for its comfort, style, and sheer presence, it became a symbol of luxury and practicality. But then, it disappeared. Fast forward to 2025, and whispers are spreading like wildfire. Chevy might just bring it back, bigger and better than ever. And not only are they bringing it back, but there's talk of two body styles, a sharp, modern sedan and a luxurious wagon. Can you imagine how incredible that would be? Let's start with the design. Based on leaks and reports, the 2026 Caprice will blend nostalgia with cutting-edge tech. Picture this: swept-back LED headlights, a bold, wider grille, and 19 or 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it a commanding stance. Oh, and if you're into darker aesthetics, there's word of an RS trim with a blacked-out look. Talk about aggressive elegance. But here's where things get really interesting: the wagon. Imagine a long, low, wide silhouette with chrome accents and a rear end designed to turn heads at every stoplight. This isn't your grandpa's station wagon, it's a high-end family hauler with performance DNA. Now let's talk powertrains, because what good is a comeback without some serious muscle under the hood? Reports suggest multiple engine options. For starters, there's a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing around 265 horsepower. Solid, but maybe not enough to set pulses racing. Then comes the real star, a 3.6-liter V6 cranking out 335 horsepower. Perfect for those who want a balance of performance and efficiency. And for the wagon enthusiasts, rumor has it there'll be a 2.7-liter Turbo 4 with over 310 horsepower, and, for the true speed demons, a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 pushing 400-plus horsepower. That's sports car territory. And wait, there's more. There's speculation about a hybrid version arriving later, plus whispers of a fully electric variant by 2028. Could the Caprice become Chevy's answer to the Tesla Model S? Time will tell. The interior is where the 2026 Caprice truly shines. We're talking a massive 13.4-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard across all trims. Higher-end models will reportedly feature luxuries like a head-up display, Bose premium sound, and seats so advanced they offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Wrap all that in premium leather and soft-touch surfaces, and you've got yourself a rolling sanctuary. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, and front pedestrian detection. Step up to higher trims, and you unlock goodies like adaptive cruise control, HD surround vision cameras, and even Chevrolet's famous Super Cruise system, which allows hands-free driving on compatible highways. Safe, smart, and oh so smooth. So, how much will this dream machine cost? Leaks suggest the base sedan will start around $32,000, while higher trims climb to $35,000, $38,000. As for the wagon, expect prices to begin closer to $45,000 and go as high as $60,000 for top-tier configurations. Not cheap, but considering what you're getting, it sounds pretty reasonable. If these rumors hold true, we can expect an official reveal in October 2025, with deliveries starting in early 2026. Mark your calendars, folks. The 2026 Chevy Caprice Classic represents more than just a revival. It's a statement. A statement that Chevrolet still knows how to build cars that combine heritage, innovation, and sheer driving pleasure. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver or a powerful family hauler, the Caprice promises to deliver. One question remains. Is this the rebirth of an icon or simply too good to be true? Let us know in the comments below what you think about the return of the Caprice. Would you buy one? And which version excites you more, the sedan or the wagon? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in the automotive world. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving fast. See you on the road.